Turning towards difficulties, meditation. So finding a comfortable position to be seated with your spine erect, chin in line with the floor, and the head in line with the spine. And connecting with your breath. Noticing, if possible, where you feel the sensations of breathing. Perhaps around the nose, the chest, or the stomach. Or choosing an anchor of choice. So perhaps the feet, the hands, the seat, or the breath. Knowing that you can return to this anchor at any time during this practice. Now, if possible, bring to mind a challenge or a difficulty or something unresolved that you can focus on for the next few moments. So not something 10 out of 10, something more like 2 or 3 out of 10. Challenging but not overwhelming. And staying with this particular difficulty on the workbench of your mind. And bringing the attention to your body. Curious to see if there's any accompanying sensations. And if it's okay, turning towards the strongest sensations. With an attitude of kindness and openness. Not trying to change anything. But becoming curious to what sensations arise when you're focused on this particular challenge. And if possible, breathing into these areas. So perhaps you notice tightness or heaviness around your chest, stomach, or shoulders. Perhaps around the facial muscles and the jaw. And as if breathing into this area or these areas. Aware of any tensing or bracing that may arise. And if the mind becomes entangled with storylines, just returning again to the raw sensations that are present. So rather than using the analytical mind, we're using the sensing mind. And these sensations can give a a more honest picture of how things really are in this moment. And now, if possible, bringing an extra degree of acceptance. So, what's here, it's here now. It's okay to feel this. Perhaps with each exhale, you can repeat the word softening or opening, or a word of your own choice that resonates with you. So rather than a feeling of restriction or tightness, just allowing a softening or an opening to come into these areas. Returning to your anchor of choice at any time. Or just using your breath as a way of holding your awareness on this particular challenge or difficulty. Or if any other sensations arise that may seem like they're not linked in any way, just becoming curious about the raw sensations that are present without a need to change them or do anything. And breathing in and out into these areas of tension or tightness or discomfort. And letting go now of this difficulty. And just following the breath once again. Noticing the beginning of the inhale, the pause before the exhale, the end of the exhale and the beginning of the inhale. Breathing gently in this way. This breath now.